In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from your Visa gift card to PayPal. If you've ever received a Visa gift card and wondered how you can use it more flexibly, you're in the right place. Through this process, you'll be able to seamlessly move those funds into your PayPal account, giving you more freedom to spend or manage your gift card balance online. To kick things off, you're going to need your Visa gift card on hand and ensure it's activated. You might want to check the balance on the card, too. This is important because knowing your balance will help avoid any confusion down the line, particularly if the transaction doesn't go through due to insufficient funds. Next, log into your PayPal account. If you don't have one, you will need to create an account, which is straightforward and free of charge. Once logged in, hover over the Wallet section of your PayPal dashboard. In the Wallet section, you'll see a button to link a card. Click on that button to proceed. Now, it's time to grab your Visa gift card and enter the card information. You'll type in the card number, the expiration date, and the security code found on the back of the card. Be sure to enter the information accurately to avoid any issues. After the card is added, check that it's successfully linked to your PayPal account by returning to the Wallet section. You should see your card listed among your payment options. It's a good time now to make sure that your card is also set as your preferred payment when shopping online. The next thing you want to do is add money to your PayPal account. Go to the Add Money portion under the Wallet section. However, it's crucial to note that you can't directly transfer funds from a gift card to your PayPal balance. What you can do is use the gift card to make purchases or send money as if it's a regular credit or debit card. This is a nifty workaround that many find helpful. If you're planning to use your Visa gift card to send money or make a purchase through PayPal, start the transaction process and select your newly added gift card as the payment method. Ensure the card has enough balance to cover the entire transaction to prevent any issues. Finally, hit Continue to review your information. Make sure everything is correctly filled out, and once it looks good, proceed with the transaction. And there you have it. You've effectively added your Visa gift card to PayPal, paving the way for easier online spending, all from the comfort of wherever you are. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be using your Visa gift card funds on PayPal before you know it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.